Well, basically, it's just my conduit wrong. I had to clean it up a little bit. Running on some pre-existing. Let's see, it's down there when I tapped into the pre-existing. My thing up here. And I'm going to support back there. I only need one support of a 10 feet. Conduit. TNT on about to put me a couple of straps right there, finish. It's a wrap. So it's gonna be finished. I'm gonna run some more conduit on down here. Yeah. And I got this side lit. That's all the hardware for the receptacles, ran, wire. I'm doing home runs. Out.